Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make macarons at home without almond flour. First, let's talk about our key ingredient swap. Instead of almond flour, we'll use finely ground sunflower seed flour. This provides a wonderful nut-free option while maintaining the delicate texture we love. Precision is paramount in macaron making, so weigh all your ingredients carefully. We'll need about 100 grams of powdered sugar and 50 grams of sunflower seed flour for our dry mix. Next, we focus on the meringue, the backbone of your macarons. Start with about 2 large egg whites at room temperature. Whip them until foamy, then slowly add 50 grams of granulated sugar, 1 tablespoon at a time. Continue whipping until you achieve stiff, glossy peaks that hold their shape when the whisk is lifted. This Italian or French meringue method is crucial for the macaron structure and feet. Now for the macaronage, the art of mixing. Gently fold your sifted sunflower seed flour and powdered sugar into the meringue. The goal is to deflate the meringue just enough to create a flowing batter, often described as a lava-like consistency. Test by dropping a small amount. It should slowly melt back into itself within 20 seconds. Then, pipe 1.5-inch circles onto your baking sheet, leaving about 1 inch between each. After piping, let your macaron shells rest at room temperature for 30 to 60 minutes until a slight skin forms. This helps create the signature feet. Bake them in a preheated oven at 300 degrees Fahrenheit for about 12 to 15 minutes. Once cooled completely, pair shells of similar size. Finally, pipe your desired filling, like a rich chocolate ganache or a tangy lemon buttercream, between 2 shells for a delightful treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.